Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the general passage 2000 common words. Ready and start. The farmers of this country have increased the productivity of their farms during the last 1 decade with the result that on the average about 100 men leave the land every day full stop by better methods and extensive mechanization the output per man has been doubled since the last 20 years, and this has meant that many who earned their living on the land have become surplus, but others have left because they wanted better paid jobs and perhaps a pension for old age. Full stop. These men do not think a healthy outdoor life compensates for the lower income of the farmer despite other advantages such as living on the spot with very often a free or almost free house. Full stop. Moreover, in the outdoor life there are several other facilities which are very essential in modern life. Full stop. For example, television, cinema and other activities as clubs and parks which are not available to the farmer in villages even after hard days work. Full stop. Stanza. The traditional extras of farm workers tend to become fewer, and the days of such things as harvest, teas, oblig, food provided in the field by the farmer's wife are also gone, with much of the harvest spirit that went with them. Full stop. In accepting these trends, we have lost some of that comradeship which is such a pleasant part of farming. Full stop. Stanza. The most serious thing about the drift is that it is usually those in their 30s who go away, and farming can ill afford to lose its experienced younger men. Full stop. As a result of our labor force, it is aging, and we must take steps actively to attract young men. Full stop. We must impress upon our young men that even if they have their university degree, they can still continue farming, which can bring them much more prosperity than they will be able to get in service. Full stop. One system that has some prospect of success is the revised farm apprenticeship scheme, but a difficulty in farming is that a good man can usually get his prize with or without a label. Full stop. This scheme at least has the merit of being a constructive attempt to attract young recruits. Full stop. It is a step in the right direction with all good aims in which must be made to work. Full stop. For I am sure that we farmers have got to take the problem of our man's prospects much more seriously than in the past in order to have an efficient labor force at our disposal. Full stop. Stanza. There are also seasonal workers available to work in the farms. Full stop. They have the necessary experience and they are available every year to the farmers to help them in their work, full stop. Their wages ranged from rupees 3 to rupees 4 per day, including free morning tea, lunch and dinner, full stop. They are also provided free BDs, and in the evening they can take home some vegetables grown in the villages, full stop. Stanza. Slowly we find that these seasonal workers are going to work in factories where they earn more money and get work regularly for 12 months in a year, full stop. They get much more facilities, full stop. If this trend continues, a day will come when there will not be sufficient labor force available to work in farms, full stop. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको वीडियो लाइक अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।